Established by royal decree in August 1999, King Abdullah II Design and Development Bureau's mission is to harness science and technology to fulfill Jordan's defense needs, and in the process, assist the nation in creating a sustainable defense industrial base. Kaddb is an indigenous, self-sufficient research and development facility, which has initially focused on military needs, but it has since been expanded to include non-military applications. The organization's products and services of design and manufacturing are intended for use by both the Jordan Armed Forces and for the civilian and military export markets elsewhere in the Middle East and North Africa. Kaddb's focus for the first 5 years of our operation has been upon land systems equipment. This work includes both new build and upgrade solutions for automotive, surveillance, firepower, and fire control capabilities, appropriate to wheeled and tracked armored fighting vehicles. Kaddb's headquarters, being strategically located in the center of the capital Amman, is responsible for achieving successful commercial exploitation of Kaddb projects, technologies, services, and joint venture operations through its different managerial units, the liaison office with the Jordan Armed Forces, as well as the Royal Scientific Society. It also coordinates the work conducted by both the engineering group and the manufacturing group. The principal activity of the Kaddb engineering group is the design, development, prototyping, test, evaluation, and transition to manufacture of equipment intended primarily for the armed and civil defense forces of Jordan, the Middle East, and North Africa. The principal activity of the recently established manufacturing group is the provision and operation of batch manufacturing facilities for medium and heavy specialist and armored vehicles. Facilities available include electronic manufacturing capability, paint shops, machine shop center, maintenance, and after-sales service center. We at Kaddb believe that the careful and targeted exploitation of defense research development and prototyping resources into the support of non-military manufacturing capability in Jordan will contribute directly to strengthen the economy of the country. Kaddb's investment operations strategy has been to form limited liability joint ventures with credible affiliates who are willing to transfer the know-how and technologies to Kaddb engineers and labor force to achieve internationally recognized results. These joint venture companies range from automotive components remanufacturing, vehicles assembly, composite products and components, light aircraft manufacturing, and security services. On top of what Jordan can offer through its advantageous investment environment, we offer our partners land and facilities through our purpose-built industrial zones in Lil, northeast of Amman, Aqaba Special Economic Zone, and the Queen Alia International Airport. We also offer the provision of a productive, highly skilled workforce, a contribution in working capital, and facilitating all logistics procedures. Kaddb contributes to the creation of a sustainable industrial base in Jordan through provision of training for Jordanian engineers in core competencies appropriate to the research, design, and development. coordination and provision of vocational training opportunities. Establishment of laboratories across a range of universities in Jordan to encourage the exchange of research between the academia and the industrial sector. Coordination of generic and applied research programs with Jordanian academia and research centers such as the Royal Scientific Society. Over the next 5 years, we will expand upon our existing land systems portfolio and broaden our range of programs. These will include manned and unmanned aerial surveillance platforms, electronics depot, information management, communication and data distribution systems required to support emerging C4ISR requirements. Kaddb will also invest resources into combat and combat support systems appropriate to rapid intervention and force projection. With our partner and joint venture companies, we provide timely, optimized, and cost-effective solutions to the demand within the Middle East and North African markets. All this makes Kaddb a dynamic and professional organization, internationally acknowledged and accredited, certified with ISO 9000, working to the highest technical and commercial standards with a reputation of excellent quality, competence, and success, enabling it to be recognized as the regional center of excellence in innovation, industrialization, and inward investment. Kaddb, the defense think tank for Jordan, your technology partner of choice.